Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be creating a realistic portrait of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj on A-size paper using graphite pencils. Blending stump and tissue paper for smooth blending. I'll also be using a grid method to ensure accuracy. Let's dive in. To start, I'm lightly drawing a grid on A4 paper using HB pencil. Each square measures 3 cm and the full grid is 5 by 8 squares, covering a total of 15 by 24 centimeters. This will maintain accurate proportion throughout the drawing. Using the grid as a guide, I am carefully sketching the outline of Shivaji Maharaj's face, turban, beard and clothing. I focus on one square at a time to ensure the precision. Using kneaded eraser, leaving a front guide for shading. For darker areas such as eyes, eyebrows and beard, I use 6B pencil to add depth and richer tones. For lighter areas like skin, turban and few other sections, I use HB pencil with light, even strokes to create a smooth foundation. I use tissue paper for base layers as well as makeup brush and blending stump for soft transition between light and darker areas. Pencil to deepen shadow and enhance realism in specific areas like folds of the turban, the beard and under the jawline. Blending stump soften any harsh line, giving drawing a natural, lifelike appearance. details, I use HB pencil to add soft highlights on lighter areas. For larger sections such as clothing, blend with tissue paper for smooth and even finish. Finally, I clean up the highlights with an eraser to make the pop and bring out the contrast in the portrait. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj completed with graphite pencils. I hope you enjoyed watching this process and learned some useful techniques for your own artwork. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more art content. Thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.